kurobo songo goika moja na kurosugusu goika iriani amoneze engima ano ka okonyora
amangana amaya ayabene kurwa abagusi Global Radio engata ya mwanyagetingerega amato tukumanye
Mwachwa omuriri TV ya AGR News Kenya ndenga ngambiyole andonsi asore niko chebiri chinsa chikobaletera magana maya asenchira yogo ikirano unatekire SMS yito yoboraliri tukeligali ya lero una tokobaletera kurwa imene isiko yorogongo rwogusi kone litangani tonyora magana yo asenchira yobwenge Omurai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nigaburerete kuraense ya Kenya semia kende 5 omwe MCA bwe wodi ya Sensi Paul Angweny otebire Omurai w'ikiama kya ODM Raila Odinga nigo aumerana na barai kurwa sensemo yobotugi aiga Kenya gukwana report rwa PPI na omogende oyo mobwe gari nigo asirio bugima wetera mubasakano bwebara mangana yo asenchira yobwikirano Marietane Dennis Zadok Omo MCA wegodi ya Sensi egotoka imeye bunge ya Kitutu Chache North imeye county ya Kisii Paul Angweny otebirenga erigokora ogwatananekana amone kiseji asense ya Kenya ekirugo kyo prime minister nigo kaburarata kwegwa chinguru chinyinge na akora eserikali ekagukwana negetwekiga yemo aseyemo Angweny nigo atebanga ayonsi nigo araikiraniwe gwetera oropoti rwa PPI na gotebanga ise konyarekana ayugo kolekana boigo lirolyo nonyeno murai bwense Uhuru Kenyatta nigaboreta komentu chinga kikobabi sibuno murai bwense semia ke 5 egocha abwasa tebanga onsi nigaraikirane gwetera repoti ya PPI
that I don't see, if we want to move forward as a country, let us allow President Uhuru Kenyatta to be the president, head of state,
yes,
as a transitional mechanism for the next 5 years. But as we go to election 2022, currently is the head of state and government.
Exactly.
But from 2022, as a transitional mechanism, we allow him to be the head of state, as proposed in the first Bomas Constitutional Conference, which was held several years back. So we allow Uhuru Kenyatta to continue as head of state and oversee the implementation of the reforms that we are now advocating for. So that the rooters of this world, the Railas, or my party leader, and others who will want to enjoy executive power, will now refocus, go to the constituencies, and make sure that constituencies elect their representatives, their people, to parliament for them to be executive prime ministers and head of government. That's the only way we are going to cure this thing.
Omurai w'ikiama kya ODM aiga Kenya Raila Odinga nigo aumirana na barai kurwa sensemo yobotugi gukwana repoti rwa PPI kagukwana na abariki amangana Raila Odinga nigo atebanga repoti rwa PPI na ruka rurachi kubwatania abakenya achinga kichicho nigo abarai bakurwa sensemo iyo batebanga nigo bali tayari ko repoti rwa PPI iliyo koleta maonjuria asense ya Kenya.
Many issues here. The issues that they have raised today, the issue of revenue sharing, then the issue of equalization.
Solved to support BBI in totality.
And raise our issues on the table, not outside the table as Sam did in 1962.
Omogendia bwe egari ekobogoria emezigo nigo asirio bugima wetru mbaskano bwe para oyo kolekana se para enene ekorwa Eldoret kogenda chisemo cha Malaba kolengana na kiroli nigo egari yo yasiria oburoso na koirera gutuma eyende abo asomogendia oyo asirio bugima abo asobutuki wachakiwe gokorwa na banyanyimbo iguru yenganeyo
walikuwa wamesema wanatengeneza flyover. Na hii flyover tulikuwa tunafikiria hii flyover itaanzia kupandia huku ikiteremka. Lakini tulishtuka flyover yenyewe wanakatisha katikati inaenda huku. Tulikuwa nadhani kama gari inatoka Chimoi imekataa itapita tu huko juu ikienda. Na sasa wamekatisha flyover yenyewe inaenda huku Kakamega, na upande wa Kakamega hatukuwa tunashuhudia maajali.
Magaga y'uburoire bwa corona kugendera kuranda asense ya Kenya wone serikali ya county ya Samburu nigo ya chakirie bene ikituo kyogo chiango shughulikira abaroire baratoke bakurwara uburoire bwa corona ase county eyo. Serikali nigo yana na bintu ebyo abantu bali bagokorobo koreri bwo bwacheni barachigotumeka iliwe tanga konyoro uburoire bwa corona asoko ego chianga chiria chugo tumeka amone chimask amone chibuti ne bintu binde nagotebanga byonse nigo birachigwe ikirediwane serikali ya county ya Samburu.
Number of projects to ensure that we buy oxygen plant as early as in the next 1 or 2 weeks, so our modern state-of-the-art ICU can start operations the soonest possible. Even if we have to buy some kits, we are willing to go back into our budget, probably buy 1,000 kits, and then it will take us somewhere. Because now the problem nowadays is shortage of kits across the country.
Wikiraga bomwanchwa muri TV ya AGR no kuyabuturira magana maya asenjira yo wikira nugunateka sameseito yoborelia wikachinga kichinde niko kugosabonyo gutete ko bomufuasi uitogose omamemba uito epato nererensa eli kiringa subscribe ogendo yebate buno ko bomufuasi uito na ekero magana ayayiga agwateka ayiga se studio niko kunyanyora ya masemo amona magana ande ayuto kubaletera wetire TV ya AGR News Kenya oyolenge magaga yichi kamera ko hene kinga yonse ngoikira naringe litukeliga ya alero anena magana amaya nigo akurukunga Edwin Mukaya niko nkubakaneria obotegelio buya muno burigelio buya imeye TV ya AGR News Kenya malitane niko nkurukwa Dennis Zadok Nyasaye oyo byamano
ayunaro amaya atekire ntogendere kumanyia amange kurwa AGR ekeumbu yomugusi.